In the quiet where shadows fall, I hear your voice but it's barely a call. The nights are long, the days so cold, and all I have are memories old. I reach for the stars but they slip from my hand, like the love we had, like the dreams we planned. And all I see are faded echoes of who we were, but we'll never know what we could have been, what we left behind. Now you're just a ghost inside my mind. The wind still whispers your name to me, but you're gone like waves into the sea. The promises, they turn to dust, and all that's left is broken trust. I tried to hold on, but you slip away. Now the silence haunts me every day, and all I see are faded echoes of who we were, but we'll never know what we could have been, what we left behind. Now you're just a ghost inside my mind. If I could turn back time, rewrite the pain, I'd find a way to keep you here again. But I'm drowning in the things we never said.